Hello, if you are wondering if LHDC is supported on OnePlus Nord 4 5G, then the answer is yes, you can actually use LHDC devices on the smartphone. And in order to make sure that you are using LHDC for your Bluetooth device, then of course you need to go to the settings, then head to Bluetooth. Of course, the Bluetooth device has to be paired, and then you want to tap on the paired device in order to find the settings. Now, my Bluetooth device doesn't have LHDC. However, it looks pretty much the same way as for LDAC. So in this case, you will find media audio, and you can tap on this option in order to find different audio codecs. So you have the standard SBC, at least in my case, and you will probably find HD or something similar, where it should say LHDC, and you should be able to select it over here. And of course, the whole media audio can be enabled and disabled as well by tapping on the slider on the right side. So first of all, make sure that it is enabled, and then make sure that you can select LHDC if it's not pre-selected. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!